If you want to recover deleted files on a Realme GT 8 Pro, first we need to open the app that you used in order to delete something. So if you remove some photos or videos, then you can go to the Photos app, then over here switch to Albums and scroll down in here in order to find Recently Deleted. And then in here you will be able to recover deleted files in 30 days, so you have 30 days to recover them. You can select them quite easily, and then at the bottom we have the restore option. Besides that, there is also the file manager, of course, the My Files app, and in here the trash can be found at the bottom of the files section, so you can go to recently deleted and then you can do exactly the same thing. You can select these files and then choose to restore them. And of course, if you use, let's say, the Files app by Google, then in this case you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and you can find trash in here, and you can once again select whatever you want to restore. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.